these tears. On our own, we've been so far. We've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've stared at these walls before, and they've made me blue. All along in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle vine. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere would do, long as it's close to you. Count on you to be there.
Oh,
No questions in the
sa may batuhan.
air.
Nakataas ng ito na yung dulo ng Macau. We are in the isolated area of Macau, coastal area of Macau.
Count on you every time
Sarap ng hangin, guys.
to ease my
Mamaya uwi na kami. Ito na yung last part ng aking pag-trip sa Macau.
You'll forever be important
Uwi nila yan.
to me, my miracle vine. Now, oh now, I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you.
Ingo.
Now and for
Ayan. Ayan yung tali nila. Pag hinila ko, andyan na si Tarzan. I'm here, Eugene.
that I can count
Inaalam ko ba din na kay Pansan? Ayun, na si forever. I love you.
I always thought you were the best. I guess I
Nakakatakot lang
always
dito pag
will.
nahulog yung nagbabaging dyan. Bagok ang
Always
ulo.
felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road,
Ang
but we
haba.
always saw
Ayun, may
it
namimingwit
through.
din.
I had
Hira,
only
dapat
one
ganun.
friend left. I
Ayan, may
wanted
nagbabaging oh. May tali na bumaba. Gusto yata kaming bingwitin dito.
Sometimes
Eh.
the world was on
Eh, yung
our
magjowa
side.
naman, nandun na sa dulo.
Sometimes
Kaya
it
hingi
wasn't
namin mga
fair.
ano eh, kunya. Eh, si
Sometimes
Forever.
it gave a
Forever,
helping
di ba?
hand. Sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we
Tarzan
were
ba yun?
together, it made the dream come true.
Yung kaibigan ko
I
na super
had
hyper.
only one friend left.
Ayan.
I wanted to be you. Someone who understands me, knows me
Ang ganda
inside
talaga dito.
out,
Maganda rin siguro dito.
helps keep me
Kaya
together,
lang maraming ano,
and
maraming...
believes without a doubt that I could move a
Pero ano,
mountain.
may pweba siya.
Someone to tell it to.
Nakita mo na.
If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you.
Bakit parang hindi na ano yung tali na binababa nito ng si Forever? Babae ba o lalaki? Nagulaan tayo. Ano gano'n sana tayo ng...
'Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you.
Ayun, may namimingwit eh.
Someone who understands me,
Wala na.
knows
Hanggang doon na lang
me
yung tali
inside
nila.
out, and helps keep me together,
Si Daddy at
and
si
believes
Mama.
without a doubt that I could move a mountain. Someone to
I don't
tell it
want,
to.
my foot is very pain. My legs are already, ay,
I had only one
Teja,
friend left.
my legs
I'd
are already
want it
expired.
to be
My legs already
you.
expired. I cannot go there. It's very dangerous. Tayo na already. My legs already expired. Bye-bye na to my vlog. Yes. Bye-bye. This is the last part, guys. Kasi pagod na kami. Pahinga na. Bye-bye. Na ang mga ano katropa, napagod, nahiga. Bye-bye na. Thank you for watching sa aking YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.